Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this case removal tutorial. So I'm really going to try my best not to make this video too long. The feedback that I've been getting lately as far as the S25 Ultra cases that I've been reviewing, a lot of you are having a struggle in removing the cases that you have brought in that I have reviewed. And I can sense the anxiety. You feel like you're going to break your S25 Ultra. You're going to snap it in half.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I got to tell you, a high percentage of the cases that have been sent to me do fit very snug, very tight on the S25 Ultra. So I can understand why some of you might be feeling that you're going to do something physically harmful to your S25 Ultra, but you're not. I mean, the chances of that actually happening is a very small chance. I'm not going to say it could never happen. I mean, there are some of you out there that are pretty darn strong. And so when you're trying to take off a case that's nice and snug, it's a tight fit, you might put a little too much muscle into it and do something, I guess. This case from Nilken, the Cam Prop Magnetic Shield case, great case, by the way. It's on here pretty tight. Now, see, I got that. But again, it's not just this case, but a high percentage of the cases that I've reviewed. What I do when I'm having a hard time removing a case is I take something like this. I use this in all my videos to wipe down my display. So what I would do, especially when you have a camera area that has a lot going on, like we do here with the Cam Prop Nilken case, you do have MagSafe, by the way, is I would turn it upside down, take the corner with your microcloth, a nice big one, and just pull, and that comes off really easy.
Groovy, baby.
Again, it is a little harder to pull just with your fingers, especially if you have no fingernails. But the bottom area usually is going to be a lot easier. But if there is a little bit of a struggle, again, using something like this really helps pulling that case away. Even from the top. See how simple that is? So don't get stressed out. Don't get anxious. If right away you notice it's just going to be a little bit difficult, again, even a regular towel, it doesn't have to be microcloth, but something that's going to have a little thickness, good grip, and just pull away. Okay, but starting at the bottom should be a lot simpler. All right, hopefully that helps. I know it helps me. It's made my life a lot easier when doing case reviews. So with that, thanks for watching. Thanks for asking the question in the comment section. If there's any other questions you have, please leave it down below in the comment section. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.